In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities for making money online. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or completely transform your life, there are countless success stories of ordinary people who have achieved financial freedom through online ventures. This ultimate guide will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips on how to make money online and follow in the footsteps of those who have turned their lives around. Identify your passion and skills. The first step towards making money online is identifying your passion and skills. What are you truly passionate about? What unique talents do you possess? By combining your interests with your expertise, you can create an online business that aligns with your personal goals. Research profitable niches. Once you've identified your passion and skills, it's time to research profitable niches within those areas. Look for gaps in the market or underserved audiences that can be targeted with a unique product or service. Conduct thorough keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify popular search terms related to your niche. Set clear goals. To turn your life around through making money online, it's essential to set clear goals for yourself. Define what success looks like for you, whether it's earning a certain amount per month, quitting your day job, or achieving financial independence, and break down these goals into smaller milestones that are easier to achieve. Build your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial when it comes to making money online. Start by creating a professional website or blog that showcases your expertise and offers value to visitors in the form of informative content or products, services they need. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube offer immense opportunities for reaching out to a larger audience and promoting your online business. Create engaging content, build a loyal following, and leverage the power of social media to drive traffic to your website or blog. Monetize your skills. Once you have established your online presence, it's time to monetize your skills. There are various ways to make money online depending on your niche. You can sell digital products like ebooks or courses, offer consulting services, become an affiliate marketer, or even start an e-commerce store. Embrace freelancing opportunities. Freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years as more businesses seek remote workers for their projects. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Take advantage of these opportunities by showcasing your expertise and bidding on relevant projects. Explore passive income streams. One of the key advantages of making money online is the potential for passive income streams, earning money while you sleep. Consider creating digital products that can be sold repeatedly without much additional effort on your part, such as ebooks, stock photos, videos, printables, or software applications. Invest in learning. To truly turn your life around through making money online, it's important to invest in continuous learning and self-improvement. Stay updated with industry trends and changes in algorithms that might affect the success of your online business. Attend webinars, seminars, or enroll in courses that help enhance your skills and knowledge. Stay consistent and persistent. Making money online is not an overnight success story. It requires consistency and persistence over time. Set aside dedicated hours each day per week for working towards growing your online business, whether it's creating new content, products, services, or networking with potential clients, customers. In conclusion, the internet has revolutionized the way we live our lives today, offering endless possibilities for those willing to explore them. By identifying our passions, skills, researching profitable niches, setting clear goals, building our online presence, leveraging social media platforms, monetizing our skills, embracing freelancing opportunities, exploring passive income streams, and investing in continuous learning, we can turn our lives around and achieve financial freedom through making money online. The key is to stay consistent and persistent in our efforts while adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. So why wait? Start your journey towards a brighter future today.